Next we will discuss about ketogenesis. For ketogenesis, as discussed earlier, the acetyl-CoA is getting converted to form your ketone bodies. So what are the ketone bodies that are synthesized? The ketone bodies mainly രണ്ടായിട്ട് classify ചെയ്യാം. Primary ketone body and secondary ketone body. The primary ketone body is the first form ketone body from acetyl-CoA, and the secondary ketone body are the ketone bodies that are derived from the primary ketone body through further reactions. So ketogenesis, the primary ketone body that is formed is acetoacetate, and the secondary ketone bodies that are derived from the primary ketone bodies are beta hydroxybutyrate and acetone. Now, what is the site of ketogenesis? Ketogenesis occurs in the mitochondria of liver. So almost all the metabolic pathway occurs in liver. But there is an exception. One of the exception comes in ketone body metabolism, that is the catabolic pathway, that is ketolysis. Ketolysis will not take place in liver. And the reason is one of the enzyme of ketolysis, that is thiophorase, is absent in liver. Hence, ketolysis does not occur in liver. Now coming to the steps of ketogenesis. The ultimate aim is acetyl-CoA should be converted to form various ketone bodies. Step 1, 2 molecules of acetyl-CoA will condense to form acetoacetyl-CoA in the presence of the enzyme acetoacetyl-CoA synthase. Since this reaction does not utilize any ATP, the enzyme name is synthase. Second step, this acetoacetyl-CoA will be added to another molecule of acetyl-CoA to form HMG-CoA. With the help of the enzyme HMG-CoA synthase. Third step, this HMG-CoA will be splitted to form your primary ketone body, that is acetoacetate. Using the enzyme HMG-CoA lyase. Now from this primary ketone body acetoacetate, secondary ketone body will be synthesized through various reactions. For this acetoacetate, in first reaction the acetoacetate can undergo reduction using an NADH in the presence of the enzyme dehydrogenase to form beta hydroxybutyrate. Or this acetoacetate can undergo spontaneous decarboxylation reaction and eliminate a carbon dioxide to form acetone. Now as this acetone and beta hydroxybutyrate is derived from the primary ketone body, that is acetoacetate, acetone and beta hydroxybutyrate are termed as secondary ketone bodies. Now summarizing ketogenesis. So in ketogenesis, acetyl-CoA is getting converted to form ketone body, and the ketone bodies that are synthesized are primary ketone bodies and secondary ketone body. Example of primary ketone body is acetoacetate, and the secondary ketone body include beta hydroxybutyrate and acetone. And the site of ketogenesis is mitochondria of liver, and the steps include 3 steps, leads to the formation of the primary ketone body acetoacetate, and from this acetoacetate through further reaction, that is reduction and decarboxylation, leads to the formation of beta hydroxybutyrate and acetone respectively, which are the secondary ketone bodies that are synthesized.